In this video, I will show you how you can use Super Steady mode for video recording on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the camera app. Now from here, just go to the video recording section from the bottom of the screen. Now after you do that, now if you have a look at the top of the screen, you will find an icon of a man who is running. Now just tap on it, and from here just select the center icon. And after you do that, it will show a text which says Super Steady on. Now after you do that, then you will be able to use the camera app of your Samsung phone to record highly stabilized videos. Now if you want to record super steady videos with horizontal lock, you can also do that even on the Galaxy S26. Now if you tap on that icon one more time, and if you select the last option, it will say Super Steady with horizontal lock. Now with this mode, you will be able to record highly stabilized videos like this. And this is how you can use Super Steady mode for video recording on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.